Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in another topic. My topic is Ariston washing machine, washer and dryer. It is washer 11, dryer 5 kg. That machine having problem within while we are opening machine, within few minutes it's showing error message, F11 error message. This one actually we can resolve the problem as for the our technician. Everybody know the F11 mean is related with the water drain issue. Because of that we have to check drain pump, drain line, drain maybe drain hose maybe clogged, otherwise something gone inside the drain pump. Because of that is drain issue. Because of that we have to check related or drain related drain. We have to check all the things. Now I will show you the problem again and we will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm selecting direct spin here, direct spin, and I will start the machine. Now door already got locked. Now actually should run the pump at the same time, but now we are not hearing pump noise. But you can see the motor is working, drum is rotating. Within a few minutes it will show the error message. Now you can see it is already came F11 error message. Now we have to check all the related drain outlet, drain pump, maybe something gone inside, and drain hose, everything. Now we will disconnect the power connection and we will check. Open the drain cup here. We will check if anything else, something coin, hairpin, everything it should go. But pump is very tight, but inside nothing. Now what we can do, we will remove the pump and we will check. Now first we have to remove these two screws. Drain pump. Now we can check. I will disconnect the connector here, and also we can remove pump. If you need, you can disconnect this pipe also, but no need. We can disconnect the, remove the pump from here like that. We have to turn like this. We have to turn. It will come here. This pump it is tight, actually it's not rotating. This one you can see here is already corroded, its corrosion came. And this one 220, 240, 50 hertz. We can give power, direct current also we can check. And I'm going to check this one with the direct current now. And I given power, motor getting stuck. You can see here, not rotating. We have to pause, we have to give like that. But we cannot use this one. We have to replace because the it's making loud noise, also it's getting stuck. And what I'm going to do, are we going to replace another one? The same pump should be replaced. Now I having new pump and the same 50 hertz 0.19 ampere. This one ampere, only the distance is 30 watts. Also this one 25 watts. No issue, we can check, we can fix, and I will use a same direct current. Yes, that pump is without any problem, it's running. Now I can replace this pump for the mount, and now I'm going to replace this one. That's it, it is already fixed. Now I have to give the connections, power connection here. Okay, now we can fix here. Now I already fixed. Power connection, it should come from other side. Here I have to remove again, and I have to fix here. Now it's okay. Now I already tied drain cup. Also now I'm going to, and now I selected already spin cycle. Yes, and we will start the machine. Now already door lock, already got locked. Now you can see machine is rotating drum. Before, within few minutes, it's showing F11. Now we already replaced the pump. Because of the pump only is coming the F11. Now machine should run until end of the cycle. Now its remaining minutes are here showing 16 minutes. And we will wait and check if it is again showing or not error message. Now you can see machine is running well without any error message. Now only 4 minutes remaining. That's been a problem with the drain pump. That's why it shows F11 error message. The machine is running well. RPM also is increasing now. 1400 is maximum RPM it will come. Now only 4 minutes remaining. You can hear the noise. Now we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.